Hi there, students. To designate. Designated as an adjective. Okay, to designate something. If you designate something, you set it aside for a specific purpose. So this area is designated for children only. This area of the town was designated as a residential area. Smoking is only permitted in the designated areas. So somebody has officially said that this is for this purpose. Yeah? Under 16s only. It's designated for people under 16. You can also designate somebody as something. You give them a particular job, a particular role. So, for example, yes, this area has been designated as a site of special scientific interest. It's been given the official name as, yeah. In the meeting, the chairman of the company designated his successor. He named them as the person who would follow them. So this person would until the chairman retired, would be the new chairman designate. Okay, notice as an adjective here, the chairman designate. We change the stress of the word. Yeah, no, we don't change the stress. We change the pronunciation. Designate, designate. Okay, so to designate, to choose someone officially to do a particular job. Yeah. The selectors designated him as the captain of the team. Yeah. Each person in the team has their designated job, the job that's been assigned to them. Yeah, this job has been designated to your team. Yeah, your team has been chosen specifically to do this work. Okay, so you're choosing someone to do something specific. Yeah, the will. The last will and testament designates his children as his heirs. Okay, so to choose something or somebody for a special purpose, for a specific role, to state that this thing has this purpose or it's has this type of character to it. Okay, so the new president designated his ministers. Yeah, he said, you're going to be the minister of the interior and you're going to be the minister of finance. So each of these portfolios, these jobs, was designated to a certain person. Yeah, you could designate somebody to be something. So he was designated to be the new chancellor of the university. Yeah, this area has been designated for children, to designate something for children, or it's been designated as an area for children, so to designate as well. Okay, so yes, to designate, to assign something to somebody, to give something a role, to give a person a position, to appoint, to choose as that person. So you have the collocations, a designated driver. This is where a group of you go out and you go partying and somebody doesn't drink so that this person is sober and can drive everybody home without drinking and driving. Yeah, I think in baseball they have designated hitters. This is somebody who bats for the pitcher, because the pitcher only throws, and he has a designated hitter, somebody who bats in that person's place. So this is the person assigned to that role, and that's the idea. You can also use to designate, meaning to mark out, yeah, to indicate, to distinguish. So the boundary of the two properties is designated by a line of stones. Yeah, the Boundary Commission designates the different areas where people will vote. Okay, the different voting areas, the different constituencies. Yeah. Okay, the list designated the people who would be chosen to work on this project. So it marks them down, it sets them apart, it indicates exactly who they are. Yeah, so it's denominating somebody as something, it's allocating, it's earmarking. This money is designated for our holiday, it's been earmarked for our holiday, to set apart for a specific purpose. Yeah. Okay, what about formality, to designate? I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but it's a little bit on the formal side. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. I don't think I would use it in an informal writing, in an informal note. Okay, and then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, from designatus or designare. Yeah, to effectively to designate, to appoint. Yes, I guess des and designo. Yeah. I think this is the idea of to sign your name, or something like that. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Designate.